76 streets.
For the 13-second classes are faster, you'll get all 3 amber lights at once and then a green light. We ask you, please, we've had about 2 or 3 instances today where drivers realized that they were having mechanical problems with the car and still insisted on driving to the center of the track all the way down. Now what that caused was a huge delay where you carried oil and grease all the way down the track, and it's a hell to clean up. So we're just asking, if you realize that you have a problem, please pull over and stop, pull over and stop. With the 9-second class, number 1 qualifier, Mr. Lyndon Bardawell. Number 2 qualifier, Mr. General Allen.
I want to do a good time, eh? I want some competition. Yeah.
Perry, raise your hand at the front here for your stickers. Racers are asked to put your sticker on the windshield of the car. You will not be admitted into the lane without that sticker on the windshield. Racers are responsible for not just their car but also their crew. Both cars qualified in the 10-second class, you will need a substitute driver. Alright. Bond paired with Royal Barnett. O'Neill Henry, Byron, Jermaine Johnson paired with Vaughn Brown. Alright, for the 11-second class, we have number 1 qualifier, Mr. Andrew Hudson with a Byron, Gavin Allen paired with Rayan Reed, Ziggy Nurse paired with Courtney Parrish, Sean Smith paired with Yannick Manning, Anthony Francis Byron, Renaldo Henry paired with Miguel Graham, Christopher Shelley paired with O'Neill Henry, Overton Grant paired with Andrew Palmer. That's the 12-second class.
Once you're qualified, line up. For you to ride
Definitely. Half it done.
Mad thing.
So King Ashura will just finish his journey. 876 Street.
Big up.
Big up.
car run great yesterday, we qualified 12-1. Watching the 60 foot. Got a good 60 foot this morning, but shift and cable stretch out on the way and we lost that race. But that was a good 11 second run.
So those are
Thing, but it was a great day. Pick up every time we enter the 6th straight.
So thank you all for
Campus
everybody.
team. Everything, support is 100%.
The year to make this thing a huge success. If I'm forgetting anybody at the moment that you are hearing, just please remind me.
It was kind of not as how we expected it, you know? Come across few issues. We actually find it out at actually the last, that's in the qualifying. So we couldn't really do much. So to find out what is what, we have a couple logs, data logs, so we're going to work towards that, you understand? So hopefully next year.
Alright. Alright, bless up Ziggy.
Bless up.
Alright.
So it was a wonderful day though. Qualifying in the 14 second class, they are trying to win out the 14 second class, but can't get unruly. I run a 13-3. I made up drop out because the guy broke out of the class. So there's no say one of them thing there.
Next meet.
You understand? So next meet, I have a little gearbox issue because the limited diff they didn't have the box mash up. So I'm having a peg leg diff right now.
Oh.
Because my car wheel spin enough. So that's why the car wheel spin first in the morning because it's trapped full of water and thing, you know? So since the car them check the water and thing, the car get a better traction, pull a better 60 foot. I'm going to pull like a 2.3 in the morning and I pull a 1.9. I pull a 2.3, the car run like 14.2, 14.1. I pull a 1.9 60 foot and I bring me down to 13.3. You understand? So I get a limited diff and return, you know? The car is very consistent, the car is very enjoyable. And the day was wonderful for me, although we come for the money and the trophy and the whole thing, but the fun me have a long time I have a fun like this because it's about year and liquor now, I'm not racing at all. I'm just give it a break and so on. Right now I'm returning and enjoy the return, you know?
Alright. What
This is how
one?
my event end today. Had axle failure, if you notice, the axle ring off from in the box. These things happen when you have
Alright, so we're moving into the 14-second class.
That's the way it happens sometimes. But at the end of the day, I'm happy. The person who win the 11 second is actually my friend, so I don't really feel disappointed. You win some, you lose some. But King Ashore is definitely applying to just
Finish business.
my stuff and go down for the 10 second because I'm serious for the 10 second for King Ashore.
Alright, so when is King Ashores again?
December 26th.
Right here at the Jammer
Right here,
Speedway.
Jammer Speedway.
Alright.
It's going to be excited, full pack,
Yeah,
action,
you name it.
you name it.
Alright, so. Yeah, man, we'll definitely be here.
Definitely.
Alright, let's have Andrew.
Yes, 6 all the way.
Well, I had some issues with boost and playing with tire pressure. It really didn't give me the results that I really needed, but I had some fun. Alright, so I'll be doing some changes for 2020. From last year into this year, I have some stuff that I want to put on, but I really wanted to see the maximum from this setup. So next year, definitely look out for great things from us.
Big up.
Yeah, big up. 876 series. It was a great weekend, you know. We came out and did our personal best of 10.6, which was yesterday. We had a few issues. We shared our final drive, got the gearbox repaired, put in a different final drive. It kind of changed up the ratios a bit for me. Wasn't used to second, but had to focus a little bit more on the shifting. Went into a race with Johns. I started and boy, I got a proper beating. 10-1 to a 10-8, but overall it was a great meet. We finished on time, grudge matches running. It was an awesome weekend.
Mad. Big up. So 2020.
2020, you know, boy, I think 10's getting a bit too competitive for me now, so I try to push it for the 9, you know?
Mad. Big up, big up. Alright.
Big up 876 Street.
You don't know. Respect. See it.
Actually did it a lot better than we expected it to for today. But apart from that, it was typical race. Had fun. Give it our best, hope next meet be a lot better.
Alright, for 2020, I mean, what can fans expect from Rasbuilt?
Team Rasbuilt have a lot to do. More cars, more power, everything. Majority of everything on the team, naturally, as per it is. So, we're just giving a different cost of a lot of cars, so expect more stuff from us coming up.
Alright, all the best for next year, bro.
Definitely.
Bless up.
to the 15-second class. We have Mr. Like a red light. Very impressive. Good job on winning. One more. Here we go. We can speak to Mr. Williams about different mixes.
Don't know how we kill a night and we kill a day. Playing auto parts all the way. Come on, Z, set the trend. Don't know. Big up. First time out the Common Z. First time winning 14-second class.
Yeah, trophy and cash.
Yeah. Pick up the Z. Pick it up. Because they don't know what the Common Z look like, you know.
Come on, Z. Taking it to them.
Come on, Z. And hold on, I could just show them why it is the Common Z.
Yeah.
Now them are talk about capital Z and Common Z. Just take a look on it, see if I can pick up the phone. Yeah?
Hold on.
Z.
Yeah.
That's the capital, right? Z. Which one fall first? Common Z. Yeah. Capital Z only started, Common Z finish.
Mr. Kenroy with a time of 13.112. So congratulations, Mr. Kenroy.
9.6. All right. You couldn't ask for better.
No.
Walking away with the 9-second trophy.
First place.
First place.
Yeah.
All right.
Fastest street car.
Yeah. GTR.
GTR in Jamaica.
Jesus.
Drive to the track, drive back home.
On the AC.
On the AC.
Big up.
But I have to pick up the tuner. Caesar.
Alright.
I have to pick up my tuner. Without this man, couldn't get it done.
Yeah man, Caesar.
Yeah.
Bless up.
Glad that we've been able to accomplish this. It was a lot of work and a lot of testing, but now we proved that this stock GTR can be in a 9-second class and then put tires on and drive home. So congratulations to everyone else that actually drove. The car is good and they're able to drive home also.
Well, I'll ask one question which I guess everybody would want to know. Can you go faster?
Yes. Yes, we can.
That's all you want to know.
We can go a little bit faster.
Alright, so I guess 2020 we'll see the times falling again.
Yes, for sure. And the black one too.
Big up. Alright. Alright, so this is the team, right?
Yes.
Alright, so I mean awesome day, great performance. And all the best for the New Year's, Zane. Big up.
Bossy they have a thing for Seckle from about 4 years ago. And me and him just do a grudge match a while ago. He win, he run 13-1, him run 13-0. Meet him by a better reaction time and in time a little bit faster. And pull a better 60 foot too. So Bossy they are still my friend, big up yourself Bossy they. Car run good, the two car them nice. You see me? So I say it go. And just a simple 20 valve with some nitrous. I don't know it go.
Alright.
Mix up the thing.
Alright, so it's definitely next year.
Well, not sure because my mind kind of set away, you know, cause it can be next year, but I don't know which one to meet them yet.
Alright, we'll look forward to see it.
Yeah, man, so I just saw the thing set, you know.
Alright.
But the lemonade mix good.
Yeah.
Specs are the tune, I big up Specs. Never have a problem with him, you know. They're always consistent, never give me a problem. Otherwise, like tuning wise, and you have to give thanks for that, you know.
Alright.
So big up Specs every time. And big up 876 Street.
Don't know.
I forgot that part there.
Respect.
I want to make it possible, you see?
You don't know.
Yeah,
One love, respect,
yeah.
see?
Yeah man, so I say it's it, you know.
Bless up.
It was a rough day, rough weekend. First outing yesterday, snap an accident. Second outing, share the second gear and burn out. Guys from Velocity work all night, gave me a gearbox. This today, run out had some more issues. Car just never want to run this weekend, but we'll definitely be back January. And big up to Kenty again. They worked with me the entire weekend. 876 Streets. Big up next year.
I'll do some minor upgrades to the car and come out make a first pass. Made a 10.7 today. Unfortunately, we start the car and seem to drop a valve. Motor hurt, so I'll check it and see what I go on, but for sure next year we'll.
Big and butter.
Yep.
Bless up. How was the day for you?
It didn't turn out so well. I had some issues. I wasn't able to really this week, but hoping to get it all sorted out and be back very soon.
So I want to say a big shout out and thank you to all our sponsors. Jarrett's Auto, Auto Boys Auto, Miracle Corporation, Insane Shafts, Action Clutch, Sign Express, Davenport, and much respect to Specs Tuning for all our tuning solutions.
Spectacular tuning.
Thank you.
If you've never heard about the Jam West Drag Series, Drag Rivals, you've been living in a hole. This is the event where they will carry drag racing to a new level in Jamaica. Over 120 racers came out this weekend. We have not yet established the exact number. As you can see, we just finished up our presentations for today. It was a huge success and huge event. The coverage leading into this event from 876 was next to none. We got back on board and did some of our interviews, and it surely got the spectator interest. Looking forward to some of the top performing cars out here this weekend, and trust me, none of those drivers let us down. They came and they delivered, and we held up our bargain and provided the right facility for them to throw all the power down, and the track was hooking. We never had any major delays or setbacks today. The weather was good. Still our Jamaican heat, but it's a cool time of the year, so the cars perform very well. So racers are leaving here with, if they didn't collect a first place or runner-up trophy with a big cash payout, they're leaving here with, hopes and looking forward to a 2020 season where they go faster, because almost everybody got a new personal best this weekend. So that's good to know that we've established something in the grounds of Jamaican drag racing that has gotten so much interest from, you know, our nationwide supporting Jamaicans and racers from overseas, the US, Guyana, Antigua, Trinidad. So we look forward to just keep growing this thing and pushing it. Starting as early as the 26th of January next year, we jump right into our 2020 season with six events on the racing calendar. So we look forward to just keep working. As we can see, every time we come out here, we learn something new. Every challenge that, you know, rises at that event, we go home and we study it and we figure out, you know, new methods and alternatives of making things kind of just flow better, flow faster. And the weekend was great. Everybody came out early and did the testing. Racers were very cooperative, and our sponsors, you know, we got some extra products from our sponsors, What Performance, Boosting, today to give away for our runner-up for the classes. So we really do appreciate that, and we do invite any other sponsors out there watching in that, you know, we do need support because we're thinking about growing the entire, you know, drag racing fraternity and, you know, the performance parts and the performance industry here in Jamaica. So please just look on it. It's not Kenty you're supporting every race car driver, everybody who wants to be a race car driver in Jamaica. So just please continue to support the movement and, you know, the work of Kenty Racing, 876 Streets. We're working on something great, so don't give up on us and don't give up on drag racing, because we're here to stay and we look forward to a very excellent year of racing in 2020. So we just like to tell everybody thank you. I don't know how many persons came here today, but pretty much everywhere I looked there were persons standing in the stands. So we got a good turnout. So thank you all for your support, and the racers again, thank you for coming out. So with a humble heart, I'd just like to say thank you once more. Thank you to God that, you know, made the event end without any bodily injuries or you know, disasters on the track. So thank you all again, and we look forward to a great year. 876 Streets, next to none. Big up.